Chop 2 medium-sized onions into small pieces. Take half kg chicken and wash it thoroughly. Heat 25 grams of coconut powder in medium flame for about 2 minutes. Also eat 25 grams of kaju. Transfer the heated coconut powder and kaju to the mixie jar. Add 1 teaspoon of gus powder, sirangi powder and til powder, and also 2 patta and elaichi. And 2 cloves. Add 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. To the oil get heated up, add the chopped onions and mix. Add chopped green chilies and mix. Add coriander leaves. Yes, and mix thoroughly. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add mint leaves. Mix thoroughly. Add some turmeric powder, 2 to 3 spoons of chili powder according to your taste. And also, don't forget to add salt. You can take about half to 1 tablespoon of salt according to your taste. And don't forget to mix the ingredients well. Mix it for about 1 minute. So once everything gets cooked, add the chicken and mix it thoroughly so that masala gets in touch with chicken. And now, after mixing it for about 1 to 2 minutes, after mixing thoroughly, sprinkle some water. Then close the lid and let the chicken cook in a low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now as you see that chicken is not cooked completely, you can put it in a medium flame and cook it for about 5 minutes. Now as the chicken is cooking, take the coconut mix and add it to the chicken, and before adding make sure that you mix it well. So after adding the coconut mix, you need to mix it really well.